Hey, welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe, like, share, comment. And today I'm going to be showing you how I paint metal railings. Before I get started with the priming, I used a Makita random orbit palm sander. I went over all the railings and the balusters and got all the areas I could. And then I used sheets of 80 grit sandpaper and just cleaned up the spots I couldn't get into with the random orbit palm sander. So after I finished cleaning up the railings and sanding them, wiping them down, I used Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal Primer. It's real good metal primer. I did a full coat of it. It's a little drippy, so just be aware of that. And I have a little Sherlock Pro Mini. It's a 4-inch roller with a 3/8 snap. And I had a little 2.5-inch brush. I just, like a throwaway brush. Just if I had to get in any of the tighter spots I couldn't get into with the roller. So here I'm using Rust-Oleum protective enamel. It's an oil-based enamel. What I like about the protective enamel, it also comes in a spray can. So if you can get a tight area you can't really reach with the brush or the roller, you can always, come back and touch it up with the spray can. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention earlier, the Rusty Metal Primer dries to the touch in 15 minutes, and it's ready to top coat in an hour. So yesterday I was able to prep up the railings, prime them, and paint the first coat. So yesterday I was able to prep, prime, and put the first coat on, and I'll go back today and I'll do the second coat. They recommend 2 coats. Well, good luck with your next painting project, everyone. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.